So students, today we are going to study AVS 2. Chapter 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. In this chapter we will study about the Shivaji Maharaj in detail. What all things did the Shivaji Maharaj had did for the Maharashtra? How was the Maharashtra before the Shivaji Maharaj has born? And how was the Maharashtra after the Shivaji Maharaj has born? What all great things did the Shivaji Maharaj has did for the society? So students, let's begin with the chapter. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. He was a great king. Shivaji Maharaj birthday celebration is done every year by singing a song, dancing. People used to take the picture of Shivaji Maharaj or go near the statue of Shivaji Maharaj and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. So students, now we will study about the Shivaji Maharaj birth. Shivaji Maharaj was born in 19 February 1630. It was a medieval period. Those days there was a many king who used to rule. So we can say that there was a king power which goes on. Many kings used to enjoy their own pleasure, their own enjoyment. They used to not think about the society welfare, but there was also some king who used to think about the welfare of the society, the development of the society. So at that time there was the two famous kings in history who used to rule their kingdom very nicely. First one is Akbar. He used to rule in the north part of the India. He was a really great king. The second king was Krishna Dev Raya. He ruled in the Vijayanagar in the South India. He was also a really great king and a really kind-hearted man. Kind-hearted man means a really good-hearted man. Swaraj in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rules. About 400 years before, Maharashtra was not free. So, Shivaji Maharaj has decided to free the Maharashtra state by building up the Swaraj, by our own rules and by our own regulation, so that each and every people will get their proper rights. Maharashtra was under the rule of Nazim Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans has divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were enemy of each other. They used to fight among themselves, because of which the people used to suffer. People do not get proper food to eat. They can't even celebrate their festival. They cannot worship their God openly and freely. There was lot of injustice everywhere in the society. So, because of which Shivaji Maharaj has decided to establish Swaraj, so that each and every people can get the proper facility and they live happily. In Maharashtra, there were many Vatendra. Vatendra means a landlord, land or a landholder, like Deshmukh and Deshpande, who own Jagirs. They loved their own Jagirs and not their country. Fight among themselves brought unhappiness in the people. There was a many misrule everywhere. People were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He took the noble task to establish the Swaraj in Maharashtra, which could bring the happiness in the people. Shivaji called Vatendra so that he can take them help in the Swaraj. He fought against the power which used to harsh the people. He established Hindvi Swaraj based on the justice, fair play and equal treatment to the people, all the caste and religion. Shivaji Maharaj have never discriminated Hindu and Muslim. He honored all the sons of all the religion. Even the Sant has played a very important role to establish the Swaraj, the Hindvi Swaraj. Now this we will study in the next chapter how the Sant have helped the Shivaji Maharaj to establish the Hindvi Swaraj. So students, here is some question. Who was the Shivaji Maharaj? When does the Shivaji Maharaj born? Name the two brave king of history. What is the meaning of Swaraj? Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.